So today we will discuss the flow injection analysis, that is the FIA. So FIA, it is the fully automatic technique. Sample, it is the injected automatic and automatically detected. Also reagent is carrier automatically. So it is the fully automatic technique. That is name, it is the flow injection analysis. This technique is developed in 1970 in Denmark by Ruzicka and Hussain and its co-work in US. So this FIA technique is the fully automatic technique. So they use this technique for the routine analysis of blood and urine sample in 1970. So why this technique is developed? So we face the various problems for solution handling. In solution handling, there is a important thing, the skill is important for handling of solution. And other is analysis, detection, data collection, computerized and result. These are the it is the instrumental analysis. But the solution handling or making the solution, it is the skill technique. So it is required the very practice chemist for solution handling, mixing, decantating, pipetting or holometric operation. Suppose pipette out 10 ml solution. If we take the 10 ml solution, there is error in solution. So after human we add the robot, but for using robotic there is also beaker, flask, bottle, and the environment, it is the precise requirement, highly precise requirement environment. So for the robot, this is for the robot, the analysis is not in precisely as like as other technique. So before flow injection analysis, there is come the segmented flow system. So in segmented flow system, this is the segmented flow system. In this system, here place the sample, here air bubble and reagent. Reagent, it is the continuously flow. Here it present the detector. So when first sample come here, first air bubble come. Here first sample come. Here first air bubble come. Then second sample come. Then third air bubble come. So air bubbles used for the prevention of mixing two sample, first sample, second sample. This is the prevention of two sample. After coming this, here is the mixing of reagent and sample, and here is the detector. So this is old method before flow injection analysis. So as discussed, this is the segmented flow system. In this system, by using air bubble. So due to air bubbles and other, this system, the sample rate is 50 or 60 samples per hour. But by removing this air bubble in this FIA, that is the simple method for removing the air bubble. So direct continuously sample introduce in the carrier system. So reagent, here use the pump system. Here we insert continuously sample. Here mixing the sample and reagent, and here detector. So in this system there is a reagent is continuously flow, and by regular interval of time we inserted the sample or automatically sample inserted in this system. So FIA, it is the this technique is the higher analysis rate, that is the 100 to 300 sample per hour. So we analyze 100 to 300 sample per hour. So this is the high rate, and it is the highly precise. So general flow diagram of FIA is reagent, pump, sample injection, mixing, coil, and detector. Detector, we use UV visible spectrophotometer, electrochemical detector, optical detector, or ICPS detector, or HPLC detector. So for example of flow injection system is for determination of chloride in continuous water flowing system. So for determination of chloride in water, so by flowing water system. So in flowing water system, here a sample is coming from after some interval. Automatically machine is inserted. For chlorine determination, we use the mercury trithiocyanate as a reagent. So mercury thiocyanate reagent, that is the continuously flow in this system. That is the flow injection analysis. In this system there is a continuously flow. As and hit the propelling unit, it is use the peristaltic pump. The reagent is continuously flow by using the peristaltic pump. And from here as regular the sample is coming, our water sample is coming from the reservoir. And here the mixing of the reagent mercury thiocyanate, this reagent is mixed with our sample, and formation of color. Red color is formed here, and the absorption is 480 nanometer. So here we use the UV visible spectrophotometer. So as in our earlier practical, we detect the concentration of many metals, chlorides and other by using the colorimeter or spectrophotometer. Like this, here we attached a spectrophotometer. Directly we receive the concentration of chloride. For first 30 minutes chloride concentration, next chloride concentration, next chloride concentration. So we easily or we received the direct reading of that continuously flow system. So here is the continuously water flow system, and the sample is coming at regular interval. So this is the main introduction of flow injection system.